Today I show you how to add a sticker to a photo on your iPhone. To add stickers to photos, it's very simple. All you have to do is open the photo you want to. You can open the photo in the Photos app and look for the picture you want to add the sticker to. For example, this picture is just a test here. While you have the picture open, you edit the photo, press on this settings icon there, press on this settings option here, like to edit the photo, press on this settings option there, and you have lots of options. You can adjust the photo in many ways, but what I want you to see now is these options here on top, and especially that pencil. So this is where you can actually add markup to the photo. You can write on the photo if you wanted to. For example, I could write something here, but if you press on the plus icon right there, you have the option to add a sticker. As you see it there, it's add sticker, it's there. So press add sticker and you can choose from the multiple options. Different apps, they will have different. You could choose stickers from multiple apps that you have installed on your. You can choose stickers from multiple apps that you have installed on your phone. And Genmoji, for example, this is pretty interesting. You can use the Genmoji here. I could use this, some kind of a robot right there. So I added the sticker to the photo. It's already there. And I could add another one if I can add another one if I wanted to add sticker. And I could choose some of these animals like this, like that, something like this. And when you're done, you press done here on the top of the picture and done again, and it saves the picture. The photo is now saved and you have these options. You can share the picture, you can do whatever. You can share the picture, you can do anything you like with the picture. It's very easy. I hope this helps you add stickers to your photos. Thanks for watching.